Installed a brand new Don Young sliding patio door. Works beautifully. Not one of those problem doors where you have issues with your slider. It's all operated to work perfectly. In and out. Alright, now it's time for trim out time. The new Don Young slider is a little bit wider than just the 1x4s that used to be here with the old door. You see it's recessed quite a bit. And it's so hard to double stack Hardie. I like a little bit of a reveal, which means it should come out that far, but even double them and up, it's not enough, so I'm going to put a treated 2x4 behind it, then put the Hardie 1x4 so that I'll have a nice caulk line, a nice reveal. And got this piece of metal. We're gonna rip it like 3/4 inches above it, and then we're gonna slide this metal over the trim, nail that in, and give a nice finished look. And here we are, trimmed out. Patio door replaced, sealed, and we put like a little piece of finish metal on top just to add to the extra look of it, because we had to build it out a little bit with some wood, treated wood, before I put the Hardie plank on. Turned out real nice.